Yeah, back to back to back to back is what she did. And was there that was the discretion, Mike. I mean, we knew on the murder count in Colorado that it was a mandatory life without parole. But on the other ones, there was discretion in the individual ranges, which she went max. And she could have made them concurrent, meaning all serving at the same time. But it really does not matter. And very short remarks, too. And she even noted that because really there was nothing else to be said other than, Michael, I'm a little bit surprised. If I were up there on that bench sentencing to this man, I would have stripped him away of that doctor title. And she continued to call him Dr. Craig. And there's no more doctor for Mr. Craig. There's no more patients for Mr. Craig. The only thing that he has left are bars in a jail cell with other inmates that are serving similar sentences.
Yeah, it's just mind-boggling. And I agree with you 100%. When she said Dr. James, it was jarring to me. And I had forgotten that, yes, he was a dentist. You call them doctors as well. And, you know, just the fact that a doctor finds himself in this position just blows my mind. She did say in those remarks, she said to the effect that everyone affected by this will never be the same. And she also said that he set a course of destruction as wide as a tornado. And she did keep her remarks short. But I just want to talk a little bit about remarks by judges. We talk a lot about victim impact statements, the impact that they have, the catharsis, the closure. Oftentimes, judges have a responsibility here to say some things, and they try often to say things that might soothe family members and let them know that the court has taken everything that's happened to them seriously. That's just as important.
It is, you know, because part of these sentences, too, Michael, are to deter conduct. Right? Punishment is for punishment and also deterrence for future conduct. So the judges, they do have a role there on the deference, right? So that's one. But also when you talk about the tornado of harm and wrecking, this is at the top of the list of an example because it's not just the victim here. The victim and the defendant had children. And we just saw that right then and there from one of the daughters. And my heart bleeds, you know, because I have family, too. I have children. And I can't even start to think of a child going through life knowing that not only have you lost your mom, but your dad is sitting in prison for the murder. And that, I think, is the ultimate harm and referenced by the court by a tornado of harm.